This is a simple program. We show here how to use if statement. So we have a sensor here, sensor which enter its value in the variable ampere. Then we compare the value in the ampere, which is measured by the sensor, with a value which saved in a variable, another variable which is called Q. So the sensor will measure the electric current ampere value and put it here by scanf. This is the measuring of the sensor, and will input it in a variable which is called ampere. Note that in scanf we use ampersand symbol before the variable name. Here we use if statement, if else. So if the ampere value is less than 100 ampere, so the variable V will equal to 1, and the water is good, and the valve will be opened. The valve will be opened and the water will pass. Okay, and showing 1, V equals 1. Okay, but if ampere more than 100, more than Q or equal to Q, it means it's not less than Q. So we will execute the statements in the else part. So V will equal 0, and the message will be shown as water is not good, close valve. So the valve will be closed and the water will not pass. Okay, and V will be 0. Okay, let's see the program. In this program we included 3 header files as a preprocessor: standard input output, which is related to scan and printf function, this function which is printf, and this one for scanf, and this one is standard library, and this one mathematics library, math.h. Okay, let's see, run and build. Else has some problem here. Maybe this one need to remove it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, now it's working. Here, measure electrical current ampere value. Let's see the measure or the sensor read 50, and then enter. So water is good, the valve is open, the valve is open. Okay, the valve opened. Yes. Okay, thanks for listening.